Good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss the topic steps of historical research method. The first step of this method is choose a problem. In this step, here the researcher have to choose a problem which is related to the past. Like for an example, we have to take a historic research review on the development of secondary education in pre-independent India. This is just for an example. The ideas for historic research topics can come from many different sources, like such as accomplishment of an individual, political policies, etc. The second step of this method is conduct a background literature review. Now the researcher have to do some literature review in which the researcher collect the background information which is related to their topic, so that the researcher can easily evaluate and validate the strength of their topic. The Now the third step of this method is refine the research idea. After collecting the literature review, now the researcher have to identify what works and what doesn't work with the original topic. Once the pre-research is completed, the researcher will begin to see the areas of their topic, and then researcher refines the scope of their study. The fourth step of this method is identify and locate primary and secondary data sources. Here primary sources and secondary sources data are used. The fifth step of this method is evaluate the authenticity and accuracy of sources material. Now the researcher have to evaluate the authenticity and accuracies of sources material. When compiling and conducting the research, the researcher have to evaluate all the materials. There are two types of evaluation. First is internal criticism and second is external criticism. And at the last, the researcher finally interpreting the result of their study. Thank you for watching.